And in order to do this ahead of time, you want to maintain situational awareness. As you're going through life, you're going into any situation, you're going through your day to day existence. Maintaining situational awareness is the most important ability that you can have. I recommend that people don't block out the world. A lot of times I see people walking in a busy street with headphones in. Headphones are great, especially the advancements in noise cancellation. You can completely block out the world. Unfortunately, when you're walking in the middle of the street, oblivious to everything going on around you, and cars don't see you, and you don't see or hear the cars, that just leads to a bad situation. Additionally, in Los Angeles, we have a significant coyote population. If you're walking your dog and your headphones are in, and you're not paying attention to the two coyotes that are trailing you, looking at your lunchable dog, you're not going to like the outcome of this. So, whatever you do, don't block out the world. Keep your head on a swivel, keep looking around, keep situational awareness. Know what's in front of you, know what's behind you, know what's to the left, to the right, know what's above and below you. Periodically, just stop, turn, look, listen. It doesn't hurt you. It may take a few seconds to do this, but if something is going to do you harm, you knowing it's there is going to give you options.